We have a very special recognition that we want to bestow.
She has been recognized and honored for her gifts in teaching and as a community leader. She's received special awards. If we could have Miss Kim Witte come forward.
We have an outstanding educator here, and we want to award this educator and let her know that her hard work and efforts don't go on deaf ears, that everybody appreciates it. Because the bottom line is the educators in this room, they're building the foundation for our future.
Esquire Hills, this was a huge surprise for me. What I want you to do though right now is I want you to look at your teacher that you have this year, and I want you to clap for them because they too are a great teacher.